हेलो फ्रेंड्स। दृष्टि करंट अफेयर्स 2025 ईयरली मैगज़ीन की जो सीरीज़ चल रही थी उसको आगे देखते हैं। हु रिटर्न टू अर्थ आफ्टर 9 month एक्सटेंडेड स्टे इन स्पेस? बुच विल्मोर एंड सुनीता विलियम्स। विच स्टेट्स established इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट सीनियर सिटीजन्स कमीशन? केरला। According to Niti Aayog, India surpassed which country to become fourth largest economic? Japan. Where did Adi Mahotsav 2025 inaugurated by President Draupadi Murmu? New Delhi. Which Indian won the Global Memory Championship 2025? Vish Rajkumara. Which country signed 2 million defense deal with India's for the Akash missile system? Philippines. Which South America countries joined OPEC Plus as the observer into 2025? Brazil. Which Indian conservations was named in Times Women's of the Year 2025 list? Purnima Devi Burman. Which Indian states ranked number first in the Local Governance Performance Index 2024? Karnataka. Which state launched India's first Global Capability Centers policy? Madhya Pradesh. What was the total FDI foreign direct investment inflow in India during financial year 2024 and 25? $81.04 billion. In financial year 2024 to 2025, which sector attracted the largest share of FDI? Equity. Service sector 19% total inflow. Which state received the highest FDI equity inflow? Maharashtra 39%. Which two states followed Maharashtra in FDI inflow? Karnataka and Delhi 13 and 12%. In financial year 2024 and 25, which country was the top FDI source? Singapore 30%. Which cities topped the Global Financial Current Centers Index GFCI 2025? New York. What is the India's ranks in the Global Innovations Index 2025? 40th. Which Indian company was ranked number 1 in the Fortune's India's 500 list 2025? Reliance Industries. Where was the World's Government Summits 2025 held? Dubai, UAE. Which Indian cities hosted the International Financial Service Summits 2025? Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Which country launched the world's first commercial nuclear fusion sector in 2025? China. Which private space company became the first to launch reusable rocket in India? Skyroot Aerospace. Which wildlife sanctuary in the India's was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2025? Simlipal National Park. Which country partnered with the China's for the Change E18 lunar mission? Pakistan. Which food delivery app became the second most downloaded globally in 2025? Zepto. Which Indian village was declared a biodiversity heritage site in Gujarat? First Gujarat Guneri village. Which air defense systems trial was successfully conducted by DRDO? VSHO-RADS, Very Short Range Air Defense. Recently, Human Development Index report was released by 6 May 2025. So, the United Nations Development Program UNDP. What is the India's rank of UNDP 2025 Human Development Index 130th rank? Which neighboring countries share India's rank at 130th? Bangladesh. Which country tops the 2025 Human Development Index ranking Iceland, which ISRO satellite faced orbit raising issues due to the malfunction NVS-02 GSLV F-15 mission. The Indian government announced a ₹100 commemorative coins on the honor of which legendary singers Mohammed Rafi. Which country launched Operation Devil Hunt targeting ex-PM Sheikh Hasina loyalist Bangladesh? Which Indian cricketer surpassed Chris Gayle in ODI sixes? Rohit Sharma. Where will the 2027 National Games be held in India, Meghalaya? What was India's rank in Transparency International Corruption Perception Index (CPI) Corruption Perception Index? 96 out of 180 country. Which country now become the third largest automobile manufacturer? India. This information was revealed by the Minister at 4th International BBB Summit and Expo on Bioenergy Value Chain, New Delhi. What rank did India secure in international shipments under the World Bank's Logistic Performed Index 2022? Where is the Aero India's 2025 be held at? What is its theme? Bengaluru. The runway to a billion opportunity. Which state launched India's first organic fisheries cluster? Sikkim. Where was India's first coastal bird census conducted? Jamnagar, Gujarat. What theme was announced for Pravasi Bharati Divas 2025? Diaspora contribution to Viksit Bharat. What rank did India achieve globally in cyber attacks according to the 2024 CloudSec report? Second. Where is the 6th semiconductor unit being established? Near Jewar Airport, Uttar Pradesh. Which companies are in joint venture for the Jewar semiconductor unit? HCL and Foxconn. Which thermal power project's first unit 660 megawatt was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 13 May 2025? Ghatmarpur Thermal Power Project. Where did the Prime Minister address the Devi Ahilyabai Sanskritikaran Mahashammelan 31 मई 2025 भोपाल मध्य प्रदेश? Where did the Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan begins? 29 May 2025 Puri, Odisha में. What is the national computing capacity of 30 May 2025? 34,333 GPUs. Where was the world's first commercial ethanol plant inaugurated? Kassø, Denmark. Which companies developed the first commercial ethanol plant? European Energy and Mitsui. Where was the National Intellectual Property Festivals 2025 organized? Dehradun. Which portal was launched to strengthen evidence-based planning and governance in Panchayat Unnati Index 2.0 portal? Where was PAI 2.0 portal inaugurated? Dr. Ambedkar International Center, New Delhi. Which ministry developed this portal? Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Where was the 9th capacity buildings program for mid-level Sri Lankan civil servants started? Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. In which states the jungle safari is launched? Uttar Pradesh. Which two locations does the train connected? Katrana Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary and Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. What is the main attraction of safari train? Vishnodome coach. According to the World Bank, poverty in India is how many people moved out in extreme poverty between 2011 to 2023? 171 million. Who became the first CISF woman member to scale Mount Everest? Geeta Samota. Nobel Literature Professor Abhijit Banerjee joined the Rising Advisory Board of which state? Telangana. Which initiative was unveiled by the Union Ministry Sabarnanda Sonewal? सागर में सम्मान, respect in sea, सागर में सम्मान. Which ministry launched एक देश एक धड़कन, one nation one heartbeat initiative? Ministry of Culture. What is the main objective of एक देश एक धड़कन? To promote unity, patriotism and respect our national flag. Which anti-Naxal operation was launched by the security forces on Chhattisgarh-Telangana border? Operation Black Forest. For how many days did Operation Black Forest continue? 21 days. In 2024-2025, how many villages declared Adarsh Gram under PM Ajay scheme? 4,991 villages. Which institution prepared the Physical Health Index FHI 2025? Niti Aayog. Which state is at top of the index? Odisha, followed by Chandigarh. Who was introduced by the Assam government to share cabinet meeting information? AI anchor Ankita. Where did Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurate the BrahMos Integration Testing Facilities Center? 11 May 2025, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. With whose support did Uttar Pradesh launch two new initiatives, UP Agrees and AI Pragya? World Bank. Which states has demanded amendment to animal birth control rules? Kerala. Which is the first green village of Tripura with solar energy and clean water availability? Rangchera. Who inaugurated Bharat Telecom? Jyotiraditya Scindia, Union Minister and Communication and Development of the North-Eastern Region. Where was the inaugurations of Bharat Telecom 2025 held? New Delhi. Who organized Bharat Telecom Expo, Telecom Equipment and Service Export Promotion Council? Who launched campaign One Nation, One Missions in the plastic pollution? Bhupendra Yadav, Union Environment Minister. What is the aim of this campaign? To encourage people to adopt eco-friendly alternatives. The 24th meetings of Indian Ocean Rim Association's Council of Ministers was held virtually under the chairmanship of which country? Sri Lanka. What was the theme of meeting? Sustainable Indian Oceans for Future Generation. Who has been elected as the chairman of the Estimate Committee of Financial Year 2025-2026? Sanjay Jaiswal, BJP. Which municipal corporation issues the first certified green municipal bonds of country? Ghaziabad Municipal Corporation. Which is the first semi-automated port of India? Vizhinjam International Port. Who received EY Entrepreneur of the Year award? Nitin Kamath. Nitin Kamath is the founder of Chief Executive Officer of Zerodha. Where did the commercial operations of Multimodal Logistic Park begin? Nagpur, Maharashtra. Where was Yugma Innovation Summits 2025 held? New Delhi. Where was National Workshop on Opportunities of MSMEs in the Green Hydrogen Supply Chain? New Delhi. Who launched AI Kiran platform? Krithiga Reddy. Where was 2025 Coastal States Fisheries meeting held? Mumbai. Which new campaign was launched to strengthen the marine fishery sector? Marine Fishery Census 2025. Where is the India's first quantum computing village being established? Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Which institution is supporting project Real Time Governance Society? Where was Asia's first global Hyperloop competition held? IIT Madras. Where was Global Investor Summit 2025 held? Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Which is India's Largest international cruise terminals, Mumbai International Cruise Terminal. He inaugurated the Mumbai International Cruise Terminal. Union Minister of Port Sabanandar Sonowal, who released the India's Telecom Service Performance Indicator Report. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India (TRAI). Where is India's longest railway tunnel under construction between Devprayag to Jansua, Uttarakhand? Which advanced tunnel boring machines was used to evacuate this tunnel? Shakti? In which state was India's first Modi Memorabilia Museum established? Motihari, Bihar. How many spiritual corridors were developed by UP government as announced by the government March 25? 5. These 5 corridors are Prayag Vindhya Kasi corridor, Prayag Ayodhya Gorakhpur corridor, Prayag Lucknow Naimisaranya corridor, Prayag Rajpur Banda Chitrakoot corridor, Prayag Mathura Vrindavan Suktirtha via Bulelkhand Express. Which state government launched Pink E-Rickshaw schemes? Government of Maharashtra. Who inaugurated the Pink E-Rickshaw scheme? Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Which union ministers launched the HELD initiative? Union Home Minister. What is the full form of HELD? Health Education for Liver Diseases and Alcohol Associate Liver Disease and Prevention. The book संस्कृति का पंच अध्याय is compilation of speech whom? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Who released this book? Acharya Mahamandaleshwara Swami Ahodeshanand Giri, Chief of Juna Akhada. Who compiled the book संस्कृति का पंच अध्याय? Dr. Prabhat Oza. Which city opened the first public-private partnership model-based green waste processing plant in the country? Indore. Where did the plant be set up? Bicholi, Hapsi. Which organization demand the inclusion of the Kokborok language in English in 8th schedule of the Constitution? Koborko Sahitya Parishad. In which state Korborok language primarily spoken? Tripura. Which 2 Indian classical text manuscripts were included in UNESCO Memory of World's Register? Natya Shastra and Srimad Bhagavad. Which state launched Adarsh Sanskriti Gram program? Uttarakhand. Which state approved an ordinance for subcategory and scheduled caste? Andhra Pradesh. Who chaired 61st meetings of Executive Committee of the National Mission of Clean Ganga? Rajiv Kumar Mittal. Which states the Mukhyamantri Sangam Parivahan Seva scheme? Madhya Pradesh. Where was the Prime Minister Vishwakarma National SCST Hub Conference organized? Mayurbhanj, Odisha. Which ministry organized the conference? Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSME. Which state launched Bhubharti portal? Telangana. Which 2 products from Meghalaya received the GI tag? Randia silk, Khasi handloom products. Where was the International Conference of Buddha Dhamma and Cultural Heritage of Northeast held? Namsai, Arunachal Pradesh. सो गाइस लगभग 19 मिनट की वीडियो हो गई है। अब ये सीरीज़ नेक्स्ट पार्ट में स्टार्ट करेंगे। तब तक के लिए इसको देखते और पढ़ते रहिए।